At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good night to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit, my people. Me did have to run out with that one here. The video now gonna be long. The video I gonna be short, maybe about 10 minutes. Yeah? But can you believe that the JLP is coming out with them distraction and then strategy? I trick the labor right, because only the labor right then take for friggin' idiot, yeah? You can't believe say Abka come out and I tell the paper them how PNP did not protect investors from SSL. Me did have to come tell on this. When me see it, you know why me I show this up my people? The way how them desperate and then lie. Can you imagine? Me said me did have to go in a Gleaner comment section and say, Gleaner, you know better than this. Stop posting lies. Can you imagine the way how them desperate and then, then take a labor right them for one idiot, one bag of fool. Boy, I don't know. They really hate the labor right, you know. They hate Jamaican people, but they really hate the labor right because the way how the labor right them show them love. And look how them come out and I tell lie. Can you imagine? Me people, me care. Hey, no man, listen. Uno journalists, uno not fi post these things. Uno not fi post lies. When uno see lies, uno not don't follow. Gleaner, me lose off of uno because even uno knows that this is a big fat lie. Jesus mercy, me afraid of them. Me afraid of them like a kitten. No pussy no. Me afraid of them like a kitten. My wisdom warriors, just listen to this. Senator Abka Fitz-Henley has urged Jamaica Labour Party supporters to mash down claims from the opposition People's National Party PNP that the Holness administration did not protect Jamaicans from the massive fraud uncovered in 2023 at Stocks and Securities Limited. Una hear them a bullshit, yeah? Una hear them a bullshit, yeah? You see how they take a labor right them for one asshole. They take the labor right them for one asshole. What them now tell you? Listen to this lie, this big load of shit, this no-neck boy. Listen to him. What them now tell you that in 2013 when Peter Phillips was finance minister and the PNP was in control of this country, the FSC warned them. Listen today. My people, seriously. May I read this? We can't. Seriously, my people. Lord Jesus. Me just want to know if just hear how them lie and them wicked and terribly, you know. Hey, no money never stolen in a 2013, you know. Jesus mercy, them wicked can't done. When me tell you, say them wicked, labor right are the most wickedest set of people in a Jamaica. Me couldn't believe it. Jesus mercy, this need to stop now. This need to stop, Jamaica. This need to stop. So here with the liar chant neck boy come out and I say, what them now tell you that in 2013 when Peter Phillips was finance minister and the PNP was in control of this country, the FSC warned them and tell that entity to suspend a critical part of their operation, and Peter Phillips and the PNP administration took no action to defend it. Dirty stinking short neck boy. Stop tell lie. Stop it. We are talking about Usain Bolt money. Stop it. You think that this are going to distract we? We not stop talk about Darrell Valls. We not going to stop talk about him. You understand? The only reason why me come out and me show on this is because me want to know how them wicked and then we go to any extent to win the election. This is why I encourage all the time to go out and protest. Because if they can come out and do these type of things and get away with it, they might go thief the election. Me not ask Christ. Me I tell you no. If we not stand up on we foot, Jamaica, if we not stand up on we foot, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Jesus mercy. People can't wicked so. They get wicked, so. Let me continue, my people. So he say, and Peter Phillips and the PNP administration took no action to defend the investors of Jamaica in that entity. He said, so when you hear them come, lying to you to suggest that Labour Party could do something and never do anything, I want you to mash down the lie. So when I do know, we tell you Labour right them, we don't know nothing, you know, if you come out and come say, a lie, but we're ready for no dirty blouse and skirt. You no come now, you no come, you think so you can manage me on TikTok, because over the sun not enough, you I got mash down on blouse and skirt over TikTok. Watch me on the nastiness. Anyway, my people, Fix Henley also told supporters that they should reject as lies claims he said have come from the PNP, suggesting that Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness have 28 accounts. What a dirty drunk crow. He come from which PNP? Now the report say Andrew Holness have 28 bank accounts. Jesus mercy. My wisdom warriors, Jamaica, una hear this? How it fi come from the PNP? No man, hey, a lying tongue is an abomination unto the Lord. No man, my people, seriously, Jamaica, no sir. Here where I tell them say, nothing no go so. He said, noting the accounts cover different businesses. Our Prime Minister and party leader is a man who is from the bowels of poor people. Yes, him take loans to build himself. You too damn lie. And the whole town I go prison. The whole town I go prison. You know what me upset about now? How you take the Labour right them for fool. And you're coming out and telling lies on the PNP. I don't want not a soul for come take my Jamaican people for idiot. And pour the Labour right them. Enough of them don't even understand. Me not talk the one them we know, but you know them just a go with the flow. Me not talk them the one there. Me I talk the one them we seriously and genuinely don't understand what is happening. Because some of them read and still don't understand what them are read. But for Abka as a minister, come on public platform, lying to the nation, you need to step down. We're calling for your resignation, Abka. You need to leave immediately. You need to leave effective immediately. You are not fit. You are not fit to be in that cabinet. No, you can't come out and tell lie upon PNP just like that. So. You cannot come out and tell lie upon PNP like that. You understand? It is wrong. My wisdom warriors, you know see what is going on? Me just say me I run out quick and fast, you know. And make you see what really are going on, you know. How the Labour rank them desperate, you know. Them desperate, you know. Them desperate for win, for stay in a power, for come mash up Jamaica. Them start mash up Jamaica already. Them start already and mash up Jamaica. Eh? And the whole of them out here fight for one criminal and I come out and talk about how the 28 bank account, a PNP assessor. You really take Labour right for idiot because me know say I know Jamaican people they take for idiot. It's the Labour rights. Because in the report, in the IC report, it stated that Andrew Holness have 28 bank account. So how come you come out and talk about PNP? Nobody now go believe you know. Not even the Labour right are go believe you know. Not even the Labour right because I saw Marisa Dalrymple come out and say IC I tell lie and she innocent and look what happened. She plead guilty because IC was telling the truth all along. Uno need to stop it. Uno need to stop it. Mighty God of Daniel. Uno see how they wicked me people? No, sir. This not right. This not right. Me did have to run out and show you this. Can you believe Fix Henley are telling supporters that they should reject lies, claims he said have come from the PNP, suggesting that Prime Minister Andrew Holness having 28 account when PNP never said nothing like that. It was in the report. Uno are the one that come out and I tell lie on PNP all the time. With KSAMC, every minute Marlon come out and talk about Mr. Mayor Swaby for resign. Uno out here telling pure lies because uno want to stay in a power for frig up Jamaica. Listen, you see God now gonna give we more than what we can bear. Remember me telling you that. God now go give we more than what we can bear. Uno need to stop that. What Una do, it is wrong, It is unacceptable. And you, Abka, you need to step down. We are calling for your resignation. You need to go. Your time is up. You're too out of order. And Andrew Wellness, you need to come out and condemn these lies. But we know so you're not going to come out. And right now, me I wait for my PNP leader to step out upon this year. Because this is totally wrong. This is totally wrong. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel about this, put your honest opinion in the comment section, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, tomorrow, we're going to continue with this because we're going to whip him up tomorrow. Blessings upon blessings. One love.